Mga kaibigan, I would like to say all of you which is the good things of the life in the highly civilized of the humanity. That there is a lot of peoples around the world and around this universe that they do not understand what was the beginning and what was the future and the anticipations of the future in the adventurous life. That everything or every life of an individuals of this universe, and there is a different style and different purpose. Why we are here, why we are living here, why we are sacrificing everything about that. Why we are to sacrifice or why we are about to sacrifice the things that we need in our life, that we are wanted to become in the near future. But also mga kaibigan, I would like to ask to all of you that I am not an expert. Once again, I am not an expert. So try to look at my eyes. Try to look my eyes right now. That I would like to say that we will be continue mga kaibigan. That I want to emphasize and to reiterate from here. That we need to understand, not to follow a certain rules that we do not understand about this. So, try to imagine and to look the life for 10 years from now, 20 years from now, what will be happening. So, thank you so much to all of you mga kaibigan that you are my followers, you are my strength here. To all the Facebook page, to all the YouTube channels and the TikTok channel, but I am so sad because our Facebook page was disabled. I do not know what was happening in this world. So I would like to say about this everything that I was not born to defend the criminals of this country. I was born to protect the law, the poor, and the ordinary citizens of this country under of my principle of goodness of the things in my country. So I am not to serve the law of my country for those who are in the higher, in the powerful, and the popular people or the individuals of this country, especially the wealthiest people who are living this country in the Philippines. So I am here that I was not born for the criminals. I was born to protect the law and the doctrines of the law and the divine creations and the divine law of the land. So that's why I am here to defend if ever there is citizens or there is a dangerous comes into my life, and then I do not like to hesitate to shoot and kill those types of the criminals, especially the heinous criminals, those the rapists criminals, the drug lord, the corrupt, the addicts, and everything on this universe. So I was born to suppress criminal. I was not born to be in the side of the criminals, mga kaibigan. I would like to reiterate here. Thank you so much to all of you mga kaibigan. So thank you so much to all of you mga kaibigan. So I hope all of you will understand my statement. So I hoping so much all of you here ay ramdam po ang nangyayari sa bansang ito.